Hi guys, so today is a new day and Linda and I just got out of line from Little Caesars. It's the free lunch day, so we got our free pizza and we got our free sodas. It wasn't a huge line, we were only in line about 5 minutes, but they ran out of the deep dish, so they gave slices instead, but the slices are pretty huge. Wow, that's a big slice there.
It's good too.
Yeah, so
shit hot.
we're gonna just enjoy our slices right now. Do you want to go, or like should we eat
I want my soda.
the things first? Oh my god, this is so big.
That's
wow.
well worth it.
Look at how big this is. Like I don't. Ooh,
Some people don't even like deep dish though.
Well, I would have liked the deep dish, but
I love the deep dish.
But I don't drink Pepsi either, so you got to get 2 Pepsis. But oh my god, how are you even eating yours? It's so hot.
I like hot food.
No. Mine is so hot though, I can't eat it. Ow!
I want my
Gosh, now my lip ring fell out.
I want my soda.
It's Pepsi, so they gave me these big bottles of Pepsi.
Hell yeah, 20 ounces, baby.
Lip ring fell out. Okay, it's back in. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat mine though.
Why?
Oh my gosh, it's falling all over the place and making a mess because it's so huge.
No, it's good. Just try to hold it.
And
Close
it's so
it like
hot.
this, like this. New York style.
New York style.
Ah! Like that burn me.
Yeah, that's what happened with me.
Mmm.
Do you like it
Oh,
though?
the cheese went on here. Yeah, it's good. Little Caesars is good. Damn, Bean, I got...
Thank you, Tasha, by the way, for calling and letting us know about the Little Caesars thing this morning. It's so hot. You almost finished your whole... Look at the steam. Whoa. Look at the steam coming out of there. Look at all the steam coming out. Kind of like doing this one alone.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I can't even eat mine because it's so hot.
No. Close it right, baby.
I don't really like...
Good, you don't know how to...
Yeah, I do, but it's hot.
There you go.
I could make this into like 4 slices.
No, you can't. No, it's really 2 slices, honestly.
Yeah, but it's so big, I could make it into 4.
He's like, is that okay?
What, did they give me 2 slices instead of the...
Yeah, but, and then he, like, you have to say that you're here for the free one?
Yeah, because some people was, not many, but like I saw a couple people that ordered the regular pizza too.
Yeah, but why can't he just give it to them? They're already there.
I guess they didn't want it because they didn't take it.
Yeah, they take it. Everybody left that shit.
No, they didn't. The people that got the regular pizza, they didn't take it.
I seen the one with regular. I seen him with a pepper.
Yeah, but he didn't have the little pizza.
I'm full already with this 1 slice though.
Wow, you are?
Ow.
I barely started on mine.
Well, I wish my dog was here.
Ow! That pepperoni burnt my lip.
I had pizza.
Oh my gosh. Well, at least they was making them fresh. What do they call it, Little Caesars? Hot and ready? That definitely was hot and ready today.
Yeah, today. We're making it constantly.
Especially now that they're just giving slices. So then they can just make one. You finished?
I should have another one there. Maybe for tonight when I get home from work.
That sounds good.
This is cold. Just take a sip. Just because.
Ew, no, I don't like Pepsi. Ew! Stop doing that! And it stinks like Pepsi! Oh. No,
And be careful you don't get oil all over your shirt. Here, baby.
No, thank you.
Just drink
Oh,
some.
I don't like Pepsi. And stop burping all in it. Ew, that's ugly. Stop doing that.
Ew, look at that food.
What food?
I don't like it.
What kind of place is it? Looks like Mediterranean food.
Oy.
Well, we had that type of stuff before. Like hummus.
Oh. What's that in the bottom right there?
Pitas.
I
Fries.
like it.
The
Look at the
kebabs.
appetizer. No, that's okay. I'm talking about the appetizer plate.
Yeah, that doesn't look too good. Only thing looks good is the hummus.
That looks disgusting. Baby, be careful. Baby, you have to know how to eat a pizza right.
I am eating the pizza right.
No.
So what am I doing wrong?
It's just like,
What, because I didn't inhale the whole pizza like you did? Because I'm taking my time?
a little birdie bites. She picks out everything she eats.
No, it's hot though. It's too hot for me to just eat at one time.
Okay.
Well, at least it's not farts.
Oh,
A real fart while I'm
I can
eating, I
release
will
one of
hit
those
you
too.
with this pizza.
I can really, actually,
You better not, I'll hit you
I
with
was
my
thinking
pizza.
about one too.
Just like I hit you with the ice cream cone. I think I still didn't put that
If
in
you
the
hit me
video
with
yet.
that pizza and ruin my sweater, it's alright.
Well, then you better not fart while I'm eating.
Man, you ain't gonna know.
I will
You
know.
smell it. Look at her hat. It's cool, right, guys?
Puerto Rico. Are you good?
Well, I'm drinking Pepsi, baby. It's
Oh, you should
acid.
have got a water bottle.
They didn't even have water bottles either.
I know. I should have known.
That's what the guy
How come
said. He
people
said,
that don't want Pepsi
oh,
can't
it's
get
free,
nothing?
nigga. You don't have to take it. Like, beggies can be juice.
I didn't take it.
And we didn't beg. We just came to get free pizza and free soda. That can't be still hot, baby.
I
That
had
bread
it with
looks
this hot
soggy as
baby.
fuck.
Yeah. It could be crispier.
In the oven, it'll be good, baby.
I know. I'm gonna take the other piece home and put it in the
Yeah,
oven.
that's what I'm doing.
Ooh. Now it can get nice and crispy. What?
You get to subscribe it.
What? Why can't I hear you? What'd you say?
That you don't know how to eat pizza.
How not?
Oh, look at your hand holding the pizza, mama. Take a big ass bite, baby.
That is a big bite.
You
From
swear.
me.
Oh, yeah, he's so cute.
I am. I'm thirsty. I need a soda from one of these places. So we had a fun weekend yesterday, Easter weekend. We went to Venice. We went to downtown LA. We had a good time.
Yeah, it was a fun ass week.
We saw two homeless guys fighting, which I didn't get on camera. They were rolling in the middle of the street right in front of my car on Saturday. I wish I could have got that on camera. I was too scared though. I wanted to get out the way. I didn't know what was about to happen. You never know nowadays.
Yeah. They were about it though.
Ooh.
They were about that life.
Mm-hmm.
And they just keep swinging at him like, bam, bam, bam. I'm like, bah, okay.
He just pulled something out of his little bag and started swinging. Then we almost saw a fight yesterday at Venice Beach on the basketball courts. But they were just like all talk. They didn't ever fight.
They wasn't about that life. And they wanted to jump the guy.
Mm-hmm.
Like
10 guys trying to jump one guy.
Not you.
And the bike riding was fun. We bike rode. Wait, yeah, we rode bikes from
Maybe
Venice
that's
to Santa Monica and then back to Venice. That was fun. I love bike riding at the beach.
Baby.
It's so relaxing and in touch with nature.
Baby,
What?
can I say something now?
Yeah.
Forgot.
What do you mean you forgot?
Shit.
How you forget? Ooh, I gotta go get an oil change right now.
Baby, you
anyway.
putting oil
When I
all
drop
over the
off-
place, like literally.
Okay,
you
where's
do not know
oil
how
at?
to
Where's
eat
oil?
pizza.
Where's oil?
All over your hand.
oil
Look,
anywhere.
all over her hand.
Where? There's no oil.
Look at her
dripping from
finger
anywhere.
dripping, guys.
Finger dripping where? Nice try. Come on.
So what's that shorty looking over here for? She's all nosy with it. Wow, damn. Like, ain't you like taking care of customer over there, something like that?
Anyways, I was saying when we go to get my oil change right now, I can get a soda from there.
True, and me too. I'm gonna get like 3.
They get free sodas over there. Hey. Alright,
Free is always good.
free is great.
Free is free.
Free is free.
Finish a pizza, baby. Finish a pizza. So that was your lunch?
Yeah, of course. Wasn't it your lunch?
Well, yeah, I'm not gonna eat nothing like till like I get out.
Anyways, we're about to go now. We need to go take the car to get an oil change, and I need to go get a soda. But thank you guys for watching, and please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that. We'll see you in the next one. Bye. Woo.